I was having this dream just the other night. My teeth were clenched and my hands were tight round the neck of a purple dinosaur, one we've all seen too many times before. He said, "Hey kid, you're supposed to love me, not scorn and abuse and smack and shove me. And anyway, I'm a millionaire, and if that bothers you, I really don't care." So I said, "Hey there, Barney, have you heard the news? The pink elephants are gone, but I still see you. In a world where greediness reigns supreme, say hello to the American nightmare and goodbye to the dream." I cried, "Hey Jehovah, can it really be over? Have you seen enough for the day? It's either Michael Dukakis or the Streptococcus. We're infected in so many ways. Your experiment's out of control, I guess, with the hate and the wars and the whole mess of infections and diseases." Jimmy Swaggart praised Jesus. "Is it too late to start again?" I said, "Is it too late to start again? You bet it is. We're done, as in burned. There's no sign that we've learned. Either cancer from the sun or a bullet from a gun. Put you 6 feet under the ground, where you'll stay safe and sound until the bulldozers come around to dig you up and spit you out." So I said, "Hey there, Barney, have you heard the news? The pink elephants are gone, but I still see you. In a world where greediness reigns supreme, say hello to the American nightmare and goodbye to the dream." Oh God, part 4, let me out the door. I've seen enough for the day. And it's raining geese, so farewell to peace, and the rent's too high to pay. Tell the Beverly Hills cop the sequels just won't stop. We're on a slow boat to hell, but the devil's got AC. I'm serious, trust me, he's come so far since he fell. And now for the sequel to life, folks. It's the punchline if life's the joke, but will you laugh in the aftermath when all is up in smoke? I doubt it. And Barney, it seems you're everywhere. When we get where we're going, will you be there? You know you're not the first purple dinosaur. Dino was doing it years before on the Flintstones. So I said, "Hey there, Barney, have you heard the news? The pink elephants are gone, but I still see you. In a world where greediness reigns supreme, say hello to the American nightmare and goodbye to the dream." And I said, "Hey there, Barney, have you heard the news? The pink elephants are gone, but I still see you. In a world where greediness reigns supreme, say hello to the American nightmare